This is Christian with Eat Like an Apex. I'm here in Hayward, California, and I'm checking out a spot called La Vitamina Jarocha. La Vitamina is a Mariscos seafood trailer truck here in Hayward. What do you guys serve here?
Well, we sell shrimp tacos, shrimp quesadillas, cocktails, vuelve la vida, 14 different types of tostadas, ceviche, aguachiles, 3 different types of aguachiles, green aguachile, red aguachile, and black aguachile. The black one is the one that sells the most. And we're from Mexico, Alvarado, Veracruz. We got our only style. All our sauces we make is homemade.
So stick with me here. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. Greatly appreciate that. You'll find more food related content here. And with that, I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now.
Okay, so this is our black aguachile, aguachile negro. This is what it comes, 4 different type of mariscos right here. And this is the black sauce that we make. Okay. Our own style, homemade by us, our own recipe. That we cannot say because you know. Pepino, tomatoes, and avocado. So we're gonna grab everything, put it right here, and the molcajete. Okay, yeah. All the shrimp. That's the pre-cooked shrimp, the tuna, and the shrimp cooked with lemon, octopus. It comes like this, but you can pick it whatever as you like. Right. Then the black sauce that we make.
Nice.
Yeah, we've been doing this for about 14 years right here in Hayward. And we got 2 spots right here and in Tennyson Road. Okay, so you have two trucks. Yeah, 2 trucks. Right here in H Street and in Tennyson Road.
Nice.
And, you know, in the Bay Area.
Nice. Taking a seat here outdoors, getting ready to enjoy the Aguachile Negro from the Mariscos seafood trailer. The name escapes me. I'm so bad with that. La Vita. Let's get right into it. My mouth is watering and I'm ready for some Mariscos feasting right now. Gotta get started here now. Aguachile Negro. Oh, and I got these crackers here too to chase. Let me pop open a cracker just to get that ready. Got it. Okay, so nice little saltines here, ready for coupling with the Mariscos, the seafood. Maybe we'll go one by one first. Let's try it with let's try that shrimp. Let's do a combo real quick. I'm a little bit, what should I do here first? Because it all looks amazing. So we'll do a combination. Octopus, and I have tuna as well. And is that it? Is that all of the, oh, and there's also a raw shrimp. Let me just pick that up. Yeah, that's the cuatro. Let's take that first bite. Here we go, bite. Oh man, oh wow. Oh, that was so good. Delicioso. The acidity from the lime, those natural flavors from that seafood, the prawns, the slightly cooked prawn, octopus, and then the tuna. Yeah, that combination is fantastic. I want to go straight on first with the slightly cooked shrimp. I'll put that right on top. Maybe I'll have this one with an avocado. You can see here on this plate a nice arrangement of avocado, red onions, tomatoes and cucumbers, and onion. Let's do that. Let's do that bite right there. Bite. Mmm. Oh wow. Mmm. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, that shrimp, man, it's just like melting in your mouth. That texture, gelatinous and slightly chewy, but just keeps giving. And coupled with the onion and the avocado, excelente. And then that cracker, saltine cracker, starchy element, that just combination just works. That is super yummy, delicioso. So let's keep going. Let's do a tuna. They have tuna piece of tuna right here. And then, yeah, let's keep doing that. Let's go avocado combo with some onions. Let's go. Just like that. And maybe this one, I'll chase it with a bite of the cucumber. Their special negro sauce. That is the secret sauce, La Vita style sauce. Bite. Oh. Yeah, these are delicious. In of it by itself, just a plain cracker, but added with those seafood options, that tuna. Wow, I am enjoying this meal. That right there is a sight to behold. Let's go the prawn. This is the cooked prawn. Oh, I have to chase it with the cucumber. That's what I was supposed to do. Okay, for sure, this next one we'll chase it with the cucumber. I was just too captivated by the flavors of this aguachile. Okay, same combo, and then throwing on some cilantro as well, and the juiced prawn. That sauce. Here we go. Bite. Oh. It's so good, but let's bite. Yeah, this cucumber, man, that kind of breaks down that richness, I mean, that acidity, the lime. It's so good by itself, but having that, really adding some more elements into the flavor contrast of this dish, and yeah, that absolutely works. Zapata, try? You want to try? Zapata's here with me. Say hi, Zapata. Hello. Cheers. Cabrón. Okay, gracias. What? I just tried that tuna by itself. So good. Let's get that octopus. And this one we'll do this octopus will do a tomato chase this time. Adding that avocado. Some of those onions. Let's go. So good, man. Tomato. Bite. Dishes that stick out. Some dishes really shine. Aguachile negro shines. We'll do a combo cracker, slightly cooked shrimp, add in the tuna, prawn, octopus, just like that. Put an onion on top. All right, we'll chase this with the cucumber. Oh, let's go. Big bite. Bite. Wow. That quantity and that quality, it's all there. Oh man. Oh, cucumber and chase. This meal just continues to shine. Cheers. So just finish up this video here at La Vita. I mean, there's not much more to be said. You've seen it here. The Aguachile Negro was fantastic. I'll come back. If you're in Hayward, California, check them out. This one is near Jackson Street. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Also, leave some feedback in the comment box below. I'd love to hear from you. I love the engagement, and it's always good for the algorithm. All right, with that, enjoy that bite life.